What's going on, guys? It's Dan with ReVent, and today we're going to be talking about our new installation method called SecureMount. Traditionally, there's a couple ways to mount bathroom fans. You have your standard joist bracket hangers, as well as the ear mounting system, and ReVent got rid of both of those with SecureMount, and SecureMount's going to make the fan stronger, more secure, and easier to mount. So taking a closer look at what SecureMount is, there are two spots on either side of the fan that are actually at the strongest point of the fan housing, which is what makes SecureMount so secure when mounting it to a truss or joist. So let's take a look at how this installs. All ReVent models will feature the 1/2 inch or 5/8 inch sheetrock holding tabs. You're gonna use these holding tabs to set the fan to the truss or joist. So as you see here, they're out, they come in, and now that's set. You have 4 locations on the fan housing with SecureMount. So once you get your first screw mounted, at this point it's okay to let the fan hang. You'll get your other screw loaded onto the gun. 2 more screws on each side, just getting this set. So the whole process will take one person about 1 minute to set the fan. So now ReVent is set. You can see how strong and secure the installation system is. I would like to take you over to a demonstration now just to show you a traditional ear mounting system and the issue that we've addressed in the industry. Here we are, bath fan mounted with the ear mounting system. These are the ears. The issue with ears is because they're not a part of the actual fan housing, it allows there to be a lot of sag. When I push up and down on this, you can see how much play there is with the actual fan. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put up this piece of tape that's gonna represent sheetrock. You can see how much play there really is with the ear mounting system. And to make a point, we did use the exact installation per the manual from the manufacturer. So let's jump over now to the ReVent secure mounting system so we can do the same demonstration. Okay, so we're back now at ReVent with the secure mounting system. Vent pipes up, fans up. I'm gonna put up this tape now to represent the sheetrock. Following my finger here, you can see there's no sag into the room. Putting some pressure on it, fan won't budge. All right, guys, so a quick recap on ReVent's secure mounting system. It takes one person 1 minute to simply and securely mount the fan. ReVent solved an industry-wide problem with the mounting ears and ear sag. This means that ReVent fans will last the entirety of their product life cycle being secured and not sagging into the room. What this means for builders is no callbacks.